Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Cancer for the month of February 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, in this reading, we'll see the overall energy for the month, key obstacles and challenges, actions or advice, the strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. So, as I said, this is a general reading. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So, please do stay till the end. 1 second. Let's see what do the cards have here for Cancer, right? Please tell me what's the overall energy we have for Cancer. Overall energy for Cancer, please. Oops. Overall energy for Cancer, please. For February 2026. Overall energy for Cancer for the month of February 2026. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let's see what are the key challenges we have for Cancer. Okay. Key challenges we have for Cancer for February 2026. Okay, all right. Okay, let's take both. Wow, what's happening? All the major arcana cards are coming for you. All right, let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you, Cancer, for February. Actions or advice for Cancer for February. Actions or advice for Cancer. Okay. Please clarify Six of Wands. Please clarify Six of Wands as the action or advice for Cancer. Please clarify Six of Wands. Oh. Okay. Let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for you, Cancer. Strength and opportunities for Cancer in February. Strength and opportunities for Cancer for the month of February. Strength and opportunities. Okay, please clarify Queen of Pentacles. Wow, King of Cups. Alright, let's see what's the probable outcome we have for Cancer for February. Okay. Alright. 1 second. Okay. So, bottom of the deck we have the Two of Pentacles. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy basically, guys, is the energy or the things you are dealing with, or you might be dealing with at a subconscious level. You may be just thinking about it and not taking any action, or you may not be, acknowledging your emotions. Okay, so this is basically, a dicey energy. You are not able to create a balance between two things. Now it can be creating balance between your work life, your personal life, taking care of your physical well-being, mental well-being, emotional well-being all together. Basically dancing in a loop. What I should prioritize first. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. And because you might be dealing with so much at a time, maybe two different altogether different projects at the same time you are handling, and or too many responsibilities you are having, and because of that you are juggling. Okay, which one I need to prioritize, which one is more important. Everything looks equally important, and because of that there is some kind of overthinking happening, I see. Okay, but you are dancing in a loop. Okay, you're not able to decide basically. Okay, is what I'm seeing now. For you, the overall energy, Cancer, in the February month I see is you need to disconnect and connect with yourself. Basically, you need to disconnect from the outer world and connect with your own self, connect with your inner inner self, your higher self, both at the same time. And that you can do by isolating yourself. For some of you, it can be a solitude, like you might be if you are not isolating yourself and not spending time with yourself, then it's time for you that ignore the outside noise, and listen to your inner voice, listen to what your soul is trying to say, listen to your heart, okay, listen to your gut, and try to see things from using your wisdom, using your knowledge, using your past experiences. आपने जो भी अभी तक अपने लाइफ में सीखा है, उन सब चीज़ों को, उन सब एक्सपीरियंसेस को गैदर करके आपको खुद से कनेक्ट करना है, सो दैट यू कैन मूव ऑन इन अ मच मोर वाइजर in your life. Okay, I see that अगर आप पे कुछ suppressed emotions हैं, if you are dealing with something and you're not expressing your emotions and you're just keeping it to yourself, and it is getting heavy on you to deal with, so you need to connect with yourself to understand those emotions and release what is being heavy on you to deal with. Okay, one second, is also what I'm getting here for you. Okay, so in the month of February, all you have to do is basically थोड़ा सा आइसोलेट कर लीजिए अपने आप को, थोड़ा सा अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करिए, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम और डील विद द सिचुएशन in a much more wiser way. Okay, is what I'm getting here. And as I said, there are so many major arcana cards. The 3 cards are the major arcana cards, which says that these are the major life changing events, or a big shift which you are going through in your life is what is happening. And usko deal करने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ कुछ change लाने की जरूरत है. It is going to be a big and permanent change in your life. Okay, so उस तरह का change I am seeing happening here with you, Cancer, in February month. Okay, now the obstacle for you I see is, or the challenge I see here is that something will be revealed to you, something is to be revealed to you, and which will give you a different perspective to see things. Now it can happen when you're meditating, there can be some kind of realizations which might happen to you. It can be something being disclosed to you unexpectedly, which will change your perception of seeing things. Okay, I also see that you might be going through so many of mood swings, feeling on and off, feeling happy and then sad, not able to really understand what is causing this thing. Okay, so what I see is, what you have to do is keep hydrating yourself. Okay, keep drinking water, because water is directly connected to your emotions. Okay, so just try to keep yourself hydrated, and meditation is so much important for you in this moment. Okay, so just try to meditate, spend some time with yourself, spend some time with nature, try to keep yourself away from distractions, and distractions at this time is the social media, right? So everything what you see on social media is not real, correct? So just keep that in mind. Don't compare your life with others, and try to connect with your own self. Okay, don't compare yourself with other people, or the people around, or the things you see on social media. Rather, try to focus on yourself, on your life, on your well-being. Okay, I also see that there can be something, as I said, something will be revealed to you, which will be a unexpected thing, which will be something like you're just chilling, and something is revealed, and I was not expecting it to happen. How it could happen? How I was not planned, I was not prepared for this. So थोड़ा सा challenging situation कुछ आ सकता है, and you don't have to panic. Okay, you have to sit, and जब भी अगर ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन आता है, ऐसी कोई समथिंग इज बीइंग रिवील्ड जो आप मेंटली इमोशनली प्रिपेयर नहीं थे उस चीज के लिए, सो जस्ट डोंट पैनिक, डोंट लूज योर टेम्पर इन दैट सिचुएशन, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. ओके, एंड सिट एंड अंडरस्टैंड, उस चीज को समझिए, उस पे you have to respond instead of reacting to it. Okay, उस चीज पे आपको थोड़ा सा, इसलिए आपको थोड़ा सा मेडिटेशन के लिए दिस मैसेज इज कमिंग फॉर यू, कि आपको थोड़ा सा अपने आप से कनेक्ट करने की जरूरत है. बिकॉज मे बी जो भी चैलेंज आ रहा है, या जो भी सिचुएशन इज कमिंग और यू आर डीलिंग विद, उसके लिए आपको दूसरे आपको क्या सलाह देते हैं, उससे ज्यादा आपको खुद से उस चीज को कैसे डील करना है, उस चीज को समझने की ज्यादा जरूरत है. इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू, कैंसर. Okay, so just be prepared for something which might there's no intention of scaring you, but yeah, I'm just saying ki don't lose your temper, don't panic, and use your wisdom, use your knowledge, use your experiences, use your lesson to deal with any kind of situation, any kind of challenge coming your way, with patience, maturity and wisdom. Okay, that is the simple message I would like to convey here. Okay, because I'm getting it strongly from the cards. Okay, Right. Now, the action or advice here for you, Cancer, I see is you have to keep going, no matter. I was saying, right, कि जो भी challenge आ रहा है, आप उससे, overcome कर लोगे. But all you have to do is don't give up. You have to keep going. You will get the success. Okay, you will, deal with this situation with much more maturity. But आपको, give up नहीं करना है. You have to keep fighting for. Sorry. You have to keep fighting for whatever the thing is, right? आपको अपने लिए भी स्टैंड लेने की जरूरत होती है कभी कभी, राइट? समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक सामने वाला तो समझ नहीं रहा है तो मैं चुप रह जाता हूँ. समटाइम्स बीइंग टू क्वाइट ऑल्सो makes you a culprit, right? So keep that in mind. Wherever it's required, take stand for yourself, defend yourself also. And also I see there can be different of opinions. People may, raise your fingers on you that you have done this wrong, you should have done it in a much better way, because of you this happened, because of you that happened, you didn't take it up properly. I'm just giving these examples because there are situations I'm seeing where people might trigger you. Okay, they may try to test your patience, they may try to poke you for different things. Okay, so you don't have to lose your patience, you don't have to lose your temper. Rather, take stand for yourself, speak up for yourself. Okay, don't don't let other people's dominate you or try to put you down. Okay, for whatever reason. Okay, it can be office politics for some of you, it can be fail of a plan where you were a part of the discussion but things didn't work out as planned, and the whole blame is coming on you. So don't take that blame. Okay, if you're not responsible for it, you don't have to take it. You have to defend yourself, you have to stand your ground. Okay, is what I'm getting here. And you will overcome all these challenges. Okay, so थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है बट आप ओवरकम कर लोगे, इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ द स्ट्रेंथ एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी इज आप, एज आई सेड, आपको पैनिक नहीं करना है. आपको बहुत शांति से, बहुत विजडम के साथ, बहुत मेच्योरिटी के साथ सिचुएशन को डील करना है. एंड दिस इज व्हाट दीज कार्ड्स आर टेलिंग मी, राइट? किंग एंड क्वीन क्या होता है? दे डोंट रिएक्ट, दे रिस्पॉन्ड टू द सिचुएशन, राइट? दे हैव दैट लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, दे हैव दैट मेच्योरिटी, दे हैव दैट सेंसिबिलिटी टू डील विद द सिचुएशन, टू डील विद द चैलेंज. उसी तरह से आपको कोई भी चैलेंज को डील करना है. अंदर आप इमोशनली, हो सकता है आप थोड़ा सा पैनिक कर जाओ, you might think, how will I overcome this, how will I deal with it, but you will be able to deal it in a more stable way. Okay, so you have to be mature, be stable. Okay, थोड़ा सा, एज आई सेड, ये स्टेबिलिटी आएगी अगर आप किसी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन से डील कर रहे हो, एंड समथिंग कम्स अप. दैट स्टेबिलिटी विल कम टू यू इफ यू मेडिटेट. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग देयर इज अ नीड फॉर यू टू कनेक्ट विद योरसेल्फ एंड लिसन टू योर ओन इनर वॉइस. ओके, तो जो बाहर का शोर है, दुनिया का जो शोर है, उससे आपको थोड़ा सा अपने आप को डिस्टेंट करना है, एंड यू हैव टू लिसन टू योरसेल्फ. ओके, नाउ आई ऑल्सो सी दैट सो यू विल थोड़ा स्टेबिलिटी के साथ, बहुत मेच्योरिटी के साथ, बहुत पेशेंस के साथ, बहुत कमिटमेंट वाली एनर्जी के साथ आप इसको डील कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू हैव दैट केपेबिलिटी. ओके, आई ऑल्सो सी दैट यू नीड टू बी ग्राउंडेड. आप लॉन्ग टर्म फोकस्ड रहोगे, लॉन्ग टर्म गोल पे आप फोकस्ड रहोगे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आप थोड़ा सा उस तरह से, आपकी प्लानिंग उस तरह से होना चाहिए दैट वट एवर एक्शन यू आर टेकिंग राइट नाउ और वट एवर डिसीजन यू आर टेकिंग राइट नाउ, यू नीड टू हैव दैट फोर साइटेडनेस. ओके, आपको आगे का लॉन्ग टर्म ध्यान में रखते हुए, लॉन्ग टर्म उसका आउटकम क्या होगा, उस चीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको कोई भी डिसीजन लेने की जरूरत है. Again and again, it's coming to me that you don't have to lose patience. Deal with the situation with maturity, patience, and what do you say? Using your knowledge, using your experiences till now you have gained. उस चीज को आपको ध्यान में रखते हुए सिचुएशन से डील करने की जरूरत है. डोंट पैनिक, यू विल गेट थ्रू द चैलेंजेस कमिंग योर वे. ओके, नाउ the outcome is you will come out more sharper, more wiser. Okay, I also see that you, in this all this thing, you might meet someone from your past. Okay, now it can be an old friend जिससे आपने बहुत टाइम से बात नहीं की है. हो सकता है आपके माइंड में आए कि इससे बात करें, and you might get some kind of clarity, some kind of support, maybe emotional support is what I am getting. So there is someone who is coming from your past. Okay, now it can be a past connection for some of you, it can be a childhood friend of yours, it can be an old family member of yours जिनसे आपने बहुत टाइम से बात नहीं की है, and that person is coming somewhere out of the blue and helping you out in this situation. अगर आपको ऐसा किसी का थॉट आ रहा है ना कि आपने किसी से बहुत टाइम से बात नहीं की है and he's your old friend of yours, but that person can help you and you feel like you need to reach out to that person, please do that. Don't hesitate. That person will help you out, okay? Because I see that there is a emotional connection, okay, with that person. That person is ready to help you. Maybe it can also be for very few and specific of you that you might, when you are dealing with all this, you might also, come across your inner child issues, okay? It can be pampering your inner child. It can be doing things what made you fearless when you used to be when you were a kid, right? तो kids कैसे होते हैं ना, एकदम fearless होते हैं, उन्हें outcome का कोई tension नहीं होता है. They just move with confidence, right? फिर उनको पता है that they are taken care of, right? So you need to have that kind of energy is also what I'm seeing. You need to focus on loving yourself is also I am getting for some of you. And I also see that जो भी challenge था ना, आप उसको overcome कर लोगे. But अगर आपको लगता है कि आप किसी ऐसे person से बात शेयर कर सकते हो या ऐसे पर्सन की हेल्प ले सकते हो, इफ दैट पर्सन इज कमिंग इन योर माइंड दैट दिस पर्सन कैन हेल्प मी आउट, देन डोंट हेसिटेट टू रीच आउट टू दैट पर्सन, okay? And that person will help you to deal with the challenge in a much more with much more emotional support. Basically I would say आपको अकेला महसूस नहीं होगा कि what do I do in this situation, okay? So you will have someone who will understand your emotions and will support you and help you to deal with this situation. I exactly don't know, it can be a workplace situation for some of you that things are all of a sudden things have turned difficult at your workplace and now you don't know what to do. It can be in your relations that something is coming up which you were not prepared for and now थोड़ा सा आप पैनिक कर रहे हो, बट पैनिक नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ प्रॉपरली नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेना है टू डील विद दैट सिचुएशन, ओके? इट कैन बी अ बिट ऑफ डाइसी मंथ फॉर यू कैंसर, बट you will overcome the challenge is what I'm seeing here, okay? Now the guidance for you came as a sage. Be devoted and committed. Don't give up. As I was saying, don't give up. जो भी challenge है आप उसको बहुत आराम से overcome कर लोगे, but all you have to do is be committed to reach your goal, to reach your destination. This card is also telling me that जब आपको ऐसी कोई situation आती है ना, तो हमारा mind normally हम इतनी जल्दी process नहीं कर पाते हैं उस information को, and we forget our own strength, right? So what you have to do is try to write down whatever situation you have dealt with, how you have dealt with किस तरह के आपको challenges आए थे, आपने उसको कैसे deal किया था, what particular situation has taught you, okay? So and I also see that you also need to journal, okay? जब आपको कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है ना which is heavy on you to deal with और आप किसी से express नहीं कर पाते हो, किसी के साथ share नहीं कर पाते हो, तो write it down. कभी कभी ना हमें लिखने से ही 60% हमारी प्रॉब्लम लिखने से ही सॉल्व हो जाती है, क्योंकि जब हम उसको लिखते हैं तो हम अपना वो हैवीनेस हम अपनी रिलीज कर देते हैं और लिखते ही लिखते हमें उससे सॉल्यूशंस भी मिल जाते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू टू राइट डाउन, ओके? स्टार्ट जर्नलिंग. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो तो स्टार्ट जर्नलिंग, स्टार्ट sharing your experiences with the people. You never know how your experience may help other person to deal with that situation, right? Or any situation that other person is dealing with, right? So this is what the energies I'm seeing for you, Cancer, and the messages I'm getting here. Please claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.